Video, I'm going to teach you how to write on Google Slides. If you've ever wanted to create engaging presentations using this tool but weren't quite sure where to start, stick around because that's exactly what we'll be covering. Google Slides is a powerful, user-friendly platform that's part of the Google Workspace suite. It's perfect for crafting presentations that are both informative and visually appealing. Whether you're working on a school project or preparing a pitch for work, knowing how to use Google Slides effectively will definitely come in handy. Let's kick things off by heading over to Google Slides. Open up a web browser and navigate to the Google Slides website. If you're already signed into your Google account, you'll get instant access. If not, you'll see the sign-in page where you can enter your email and password. Don't have a Google account yet? No worries. Creating one is quick and opens up a world of convenient tools at your fingertips. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the Google Slides homepage. Here you'll see options to either start a brand new presentation or browse through existing ones. To begin a new project, you can click on a blank presentation or choose from one of Google's ready-made templates. Templates can save you time and give your slides a professional look right from the start, while a blank slide gives you complete creative freedom. Now that you're inside the editing interface, it's time to bring your ideas to life. You'll notice a blank slide with text boxes already waiting for you. Simply click inside one of the boxes and start typing. This is where your content begins to take shape. If you want more text areas, you can add new text boxes from the Insert menu. If you're planning to add more slides, head up to the top menu, click on Slide, and select New Slide. This helps keep your presentation neat and organized. Each slide can hold its own unique content and theme, allowing you to structure your presentation step by step. To make your writing stand out, explore the formatting options. You can change fonts, adjust text sizes, pick different colors, or even apply bold and italic styles. These simple adjustments can help emphasize key points and give your presentation the right tone and feel. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you use Google Slides, the more comfortable you'll become with its features and shortcuts. Over time, you'll find it's an incredibly versatile tool for bringing your ideas to life in a polished, professional way. And there you have it, your beginner's guide to writing on Google Slides. Practice these steps and you'll be creating effective, engaging presentations in no time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials.